Welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you on the fundamentals of how the Java console output works. We will begin with the basic configuration of the program. We will be using Eclipse compiler. A compiler is a software that reads the coding and shows the output of the codes. You can download Eclipse software from the official Eclipse website. So this is the Eclipse website. It is eclipse.org. So you can download this. After that, after downloading, I'm going to show you the basic configuration we will be doing. And then today we will start with the most basic coding. This is just to give you all an idea on how the console works. Okay. In this video, I'll show you how to make your first computer program. In Java, Eclipse IDE. So I've downloaded and installed the Eclipse. It's going to open up, and before it opens up, it's going to ask you on where your workbench is going to be saved. I click OK in the use default, and it says where you want to save your project. So first of all, you go to File, and then click New Java Project. And this will pop up. So first of all, it is your project name. So what are you going to name it? So I'm going to name it Hello World. And use the default location. Or if you want to change it, you can change your location. So you can click on Browse and change it. So I'm going to use it at default. And then the JRE is a Java. So I'm going to use it as what it as clicked on. So use the project layout, use the default storage, default layout. It shouldn't matter if you click on those options and then you click finish. Close. Okay, this is how it's going to look like after you click new project. So it shows Hello World. So if you double click on the library, it's going to show you all the library inputs. So then on the Hello World, you right click and then go to new class. And this will pop out. So the source folder is going to be Hello World. So let's say just leave it as Hello World. Package is, you leave it blank. For the basic video, we'll leave it blank. And then the name. So we can use it. We can use Hello World as well. The file name .java. The reason why you're putting .java is because we're using Java language. And we're going to put it as public. Or basic one we'll use as public. The modifiers will be public. It has to be .java. And the rest you can leave it empty. And then you click on public static void. This will help you when with the coding. So you don't have to type out public static void later on. I'll show you all what does the public static void means. And then you can click. If you want to add comments, you can click on generate comments, but this we won't use it first. And then you click on finish, and this will pop out. So your public class Hello World, public static void, main string args. So first we'll delete all of this, and I will teach you all, because we're going to learn on how does it work. All right. So we will start off with public class hello world. Public class hello world. You see the first letter of H is capital and also the first letter of world is capital. This is to differentiate between two different words. This is how the Java we will be combining the coding, because we don't want to confuse the same words, same name for the class. And then we'll have curly brackets, open curly bracket and close curly bracket, and we're going to put in the coding inside the curly bracket. So first of all, after you type in between the curly brackets. So you type in first public static void main, open bracket, small close bracket, and also the curly bracket. Then you open up the curly bracket. Once you click enter after opening the curly bracket, they'll automatically generate the close curly bracket. Inside that bracket with type, we're going to put in string, open square bracket and close square bracket, space args. Args stands for arguments. And then inside the curly bracket of the public static void main, I'm going to type out system dot out dot print ln. Ln stands for line, open bracket, close bracket, and also semicolon. Okay. And then inside that, I'm going to open up a parenthesis and type in inside the bracket. I'm going to type in hello world. You see the hello world will turn to blue. Eclipse will help you to differentiate between different commands. Like you see, your public class was in red, and also the string, once you type in the system.out.println, and then inside the bracket there is hello world. The hello world is blue because it differentiates between different commands. Okay, system.out.println means what it means is going to output. System.out.println is a command where we use to output in the screen. Alright. Okay, then you click on run. The run is the green color with the play button. So once you click on that, you see that there's on the thing that it shows hello world. So this is what the basic coding will do. So public static void main string args is arguments. So the arguments we'll teach on later. We'll explain on it later. So for the first video, I'm going to just teach about system.out.println, and inside that line I'm going to teach all hello world. And so once you click on play, it will output whatever you've written inside the system.out.println. There you go. So congratulations, you have just successfully created your basic console output. So let's say if you change the hello world to ABC, it will output ABC as well. So this is your first program. So congratulations, and I will see you all in the next video.